So, in multiplication we saw that the numerator is multiplied with the numerator and the denominator is multiplied with denominator. So, simple multiplication, 2 into 3 is 6, 15 into 5 we get 75, and as I told that we will have to see whether it is getting cancelled or not. So, if they are cancelling, let us say 12 upon 15 into 20 upon 6, then we will have to cancel that and simplify it. So, here we have a question to demonstrate that 12 by 15 into 20 by 6, we can cancel 6 1 and 6 2. We can cancel one from numerator and one from denominator whenever there is a multiplication sign in between. But please remember, do not cancel like this when you are having addition or subtraction sum. You can cancel the numerator denominator if they are part of the same rational number, but not like this. Only in case of multiplication we can multiply like this, and we can cancel this 6 and 12. We can also cancel this 15 and 20 by 5. We get 5 3s are 15 and 5 4s are 20. So, the numerator that is left is now 2 into 4, that is 8, and the denominator we are getting 3 into 1, that is 3. So, this is the simplified answer of 12 by 15 into 20 by 6. It is always important to see whether there are any common factors. If there are common factors, then we should cancel it like this, and then we will get the final answer. Now, the last part of the chapter deals with division of rational numbers. Now, how are we going to divide two rational numbers? It is also simple. 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. This implies that 1 by 2, when you divide by 3 by 4, it actually means you are multiplying by the reciprocal of that number. So, instead of division sign, now I am putting multiplication sign, and all I have to do is take this number 3 by 4 and take the reciprocal. Reciprocal means the numerator becomes the denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. So, here we saw that it was 3 by 4, and now I have inverted it and made it 4 by 3, and therefore, now I can write this as 4 upon 6. However, 4 upon 6 is not in the simplest form. So, we are going to cancel this by 2. So, here we will write 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Therefore, we get the final answer as 2 upon 3. Continuing with division, let us say we are having 5 upon 13 divided by 7 upon 65. We are having a division sign, we are having a rational number here and a rational number here. So, as discussed earlier, the first number 5 by 13 remains as it is, and the second number we will have to multiply and take the reciprocal. So, 65 by 7. So, here first number I have written as it is, but the second number I have taken the reciprocal. So, 7 by 65 has become 65 by 7. Then we will see whether we can cancel some terms of the numerator and denominator. We find that 13 and 65 can be cancelled. Here 13 goes 5 times in 65. So, in the numerator we are having 5 into 5, so that is 25. This is cancelled, so there is a 1 here. So, 1 into 7 is 7. So, we get the result as 25 upon 7. We could take another example similar to this. Let us say 2 upon 10 divided by 7 upon 8. The procedure will be same. The first number to be written as it is and multiplied by the reciprocal of the second. So, that becomes 8 by 7. We are going to see whether some terms are cancelling here. We find that 8 and 10 can be cancelled, or we can cancel also 2 and 10. So, you can select either. If I am taking 2, then 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. So, 1 multiplied by 8 we are going to get 8 in the numerator, and 5 into 7 we are going to get 35 as the denominator. So, for any two rational numbers we can add and subtract by taking LCM. We can multiply simply by multiplying the numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And if it is a question of division, then make sure that the first number remains as it is and multiplication sign will be put instead of the division, and you have to take the reciprocal of the second term and then do the multiplication. And if we can cancel some terms of the numerator and denominator with common factors, then we must do it and write the answer in the simplest form.